In front of us today and up for your consideration is this 2017 BMW M2 Coupe. This example is finished in black sapphire metallic exterior paint. It's got a little over 63,000 miles on the odometer. Just giving you a quick 360 exterior walk around view. Then we'll take a closer look up close at both the exterior and interior here in a moment. Starting with the exterior, trying to point out a few things. We do have some scattered cosmetic concerns throughout the front end of this one. Couple rock chips here and there, especially down on the front bumper area. There's definitely a selection and assortment of rock chips. We have a bit of a cosmetic concern here, a bit of a push in. Right there we have a little bit of scraping underneath the front right of the splitter. Cosmetic concern here and here. Bit of a couple scuff marks there. Headlights have a little bit of oxidation going on. Nothing too severe. Looks like we got another scuff right here. Front left this time. Another cosmetic concern there. So definitely noticeable the 63,000 miles this one has covered. Looking down the driver's side here, I don't see any door dings. We have a couple of scratches by the door handle. Hopefully that's visible on camera. Maybe a slight dent right here, it looks like. Yep, not sure if you can see that one on camera or not. Right there, slight dent. Paint still has great glossiness to it though. You can really see that metallic finish. A couple of tree leaves on it here. It was just parked underneath or close to a tree, so excuse that please. Maybe a couple of slight cosmetic concerns here on the trunk lid. Again, it was parked near a tree a few moments ago, so a couple of those things are not problems necessarily. Scratching on the load floor for the trunk. Looking around back here. The back bumper looks pretty clean. I don't see any significant scuffs or scratches. Maybe a bit of a cosmetic. Oh no, that's just a water spot. Ignore that, never mind. A couple of slight scratches and scuffs back here. Kumo tires. Looking down the passenger side, we got a scratch right here. Try to give a close-up of everything. Just, be mindful that there are cosmetic concerns in areas of the exterior here. Let's have a look at the interior. This one is optioned with the executive package, as well as black leather, black Dakota leather, with the blue stitching, real nice contrast. The carbon fiber inlays as well on the door handles and on the dashboard. Looking at the driver's seat here, this is just reflection, this is not discoloration. A little bit of creasing going on. Nothing too severe though, maybe a little bit of discoloration right here. But the blue stitching pops really nicely. Let's have a look inside and hop in. You have some wear on the steering wheel, as you can see. Common touch points to be expected. Looks like a little bit of, oh no, it's just a little bit of dust. Ignore that, never mind, not a problem. Let's fire it up. We have a push button start. There we go. No warning lights other than your e-brake and seatbelt alert. 63,351 is your odometer count. And this one is notably optioned with the 7-speed double clutch transmission, not the 6-speed manual. The other one optioned or available as an option in these cars. AC fan speeds. There you go. It does blow cold as well. We do have a backup camera as well on this one. Shift into reverse. There you go. Also the parking sensor layout there. A couple of settings on the side here as well. Go back into neutral, just like that. Paddle shifters to be expected. Pretty clean in the interior otherwise. Headliner, no sagging, tears, rips. Looking at the passenger seat here. Slight creasing, nothing severe. Floor panels look real clean. Maybe a little bit of discoloration or stain there on the passenger seat. Back seats. Maybe some slight stretching in the leather, but as you can see, nothing Nothing especially severe. Let's go ahead and shut her down. Here we go. And let's have a look around back at the trunk. Whoa. So I almost hit myself with the door. Let's open this up. Here's your trunk. Pretty clean back here as well. It also has the battery and goodies back here too. So there we have it. 2017 BMW M2 Coupe. Black sapphire metallic executive package. CarPlay up for your consideration with 63,000 miles.